Okay, hello, boys. Right now, all of you are in recess and I am recording your video. Remember, for the ones that were not in the class in the morning or you got a little late, I said only for today. We switched the math class later, we changed it because there is a problem with the book that is online. Okay? So that's why today, actually, what you will see, they are not pages from the book. I just did the same numbers that you have in your book, but I did them on the Google Slides, okay? But it's exactly the same exercises, but I did it myself. They are not the photo of the book. That's why we had to wait a little bit and we switch the classes. So let's see, what are we learning today? You have been learning a lot about numbers, like we have said before. So today, now that you are becoming experts, excellent. Now that you are becoming experts on numbers, you're going to start counting and making number patterns. A pattern is when maybe you repeat the same number, or you change the same number, or you add the same number, or you subtract the same number in a series of many numbers. You are going to understand right now when I show you the patterns that we are going to be working on. It's something like this, okay? What number is one more than 3,624? Now, one more is super easy, but please follow my instructions so you can get 100. Okay? Even one more is easy. First, get your whiteboards, write your titles at the top, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And then the number that they ask you in the page that you will answer, first build it with the discs like we did last week. So let's build it. 3,000. So I bring 1, 2, 3,000. Okay. Then it's 600. Let's bring 6 of 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Then it's 24. So let's bring 20. That means 2 of 10. 10, 20. That's 2. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So to answer this sentence, what number is one more? If it says only one more, as you can see here, one more. That is, we are adding to the ones. Just one more. Let's bring one more. But now pay attention to something. If I bring one more, did we change the thousands? No, right? Did we change the hundreds? No. Did we change the tens? No, we didn't. We only changed the ones because we had 4 and we bring 1. So the other numbers stay the same. That means 3,620 stays the same. But it was 4, but one more, now it is 5. Do you see how we have 5 here? Okay. To do the next sentence, I am going to take away the 4 because we need to start again with the same number, 3,624 in this one. Maybe in your book it's different, so don't think that it's going to be exactly the same. So I need to start again with 3,624. Here it is, 3,624. But now it says that we need to add 10 more. So 10 more, like we have learned, okay? It doesn't mean to bring 10 of these, no, or 10 of these, or 10 of these, no. It means just 10, the number 10, 10 more. That means one of these. That's 10 more, one of these, because inside we have 10, okay? And also another clue is that if it says 10 more, it means you added to the tens place, okay? In this case. So, like before, did we change the hundreds? No. Did we change the thousands? No. Did we change the hundreds? No. Did we change the tens? Yes, because we had two and we added one more. So that's the place that changed. The other numbers stay the same. 3,600, but now I have 3 in the tens. That means 30 and 4, the ones we didn't change it. So even this seems a little easy, it can get tricky because you have to pay a lot of attention to all the digits. So please do this, what I am doing here, and you will get it good. That teachers tell you how to do things good. But you have to follow the instructions and you will get it excellent, okay? So please, you get your whiteboard, build your number, and add the number they are asking you. I'm going to take out the 10 because, again, I need to begin with 3,624. In all of them, we're starting with the same number. But what they want you to see is that it's not the same to add 1 of a 10, 1 of a 1 of a 1, 1 of a 10, adding one more of 100 or adding one more of 1,000. Okay? So now it says 100 more. That means we go to the hundreds and we add 100 more. I don't have it here, so I'm going to duplicate. Here is 100 more. Did we change the thousands? No. The tens? No. And the ones? No. The only place that changed was the hundreds because we are adding 100. So the answer is 3,000 because here we still have 3,000. This, yes, instead of 6, now we have 7. 7 of 100. This didn't change, so again we put 2. And this also did not change, so we put 4. So 100 more is 3,724. So we have to start again with the same number. So let me take out 1 of 100. So now it says what number is 1,000 more? So where do you think to which place should I add one more? To the ones, to the tens, to the hundreds, or to the thousands? Excellent. It says 1,000 more. That means is 1 of 1,000 more here. And the hundreds, the tens, and the ones did not change. So that means I only add one more to the thousands. That means 4,624 because the other numbers don't change. I only change the thousands. Okay? Let's make another practice. Just super fast, another number. Imagine they tell you 3,673. And then that's what you're doing today. 4,000. Okay, imagine it's something like this, and then they tell you what numbers go next. So what you have to pay attention, this is a number pattern. You have to see from here to here how many more, how many more, how many more, so you know how many more you have to put here. Okay? So let's see. Let's begin with the ones. Are the ones changing? 3, 3, 3. No, right? The ones are not changing. So the ones, we're still going to put it. The ones, we still put it. Let's see the tens. 7, 7, 7, 7. Did we change the place of the tens? No, right? So the 7 stays there. Now let's go see the hundreds. In the hundreds, we have 6, 6, 6, 6. So are the hundreds changing? Exactly, the hundreds, no, they are not changing. Now let's look at the thousands. 3, 4, 5, 6. Are the thousands changing? Exactly. If you see the pattern is in the thousands, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many thousands should go here? Okay. If you said 7, a pat on your back. Very good, boys. So what number goes next? You don't have to do all the process I did again. I just did it to explain it to you. So we know that all this is not changing, okay? Just the thousands. So if here it was 7,000, 1,000 more is 8,000, and all the other numbers stay the same. Okay? Yes, boys? So that's what we are doing today. Let's go to the next page. This is the page that I took from your book, okay? These are the exactly same exercises that are on your book. So it says, which number is 100 more? That means in this number, you go to the hundreds. And again, remember, it doesn't mean you add 100 of 100, no. Remember, just one disc is equals 100. So they just want 100 more. That's it. Okay? So you go to the hundreds, add 100 more, and write here your answer. Then, which number is 100 more than this? These are different numbers, okay? They look the same. You see a lot of 5s, 4s, and 2s, but no, it's different. Here it's 5,500, here 5,400. So in this one, 100 more. So again, you go to the hundreds and change only the hundreds. But don't just put the hundreds, you put the complete number, the same way I did before. Now here is kind of what we did in the last slide. Which number comes next? They are not telling you, so you have to be like an inspector, a number inspector, an investigator, and investigate which is the place that is changing. The ones, the tens, the hundreds, or the thousands. That way you know what number goes here and then here. Here again, be an inspector and check first the ones in the 3 numbers, then the tens in the 3 numbers, then the hundreds, so you can start finding all the clues and solve the problem. Okay, boys? So everyone, put your inspector face, get ready, get your magnifying glass like an inspector, so you can start investigating this number and find which numbers come next. Bye-bye.